I'd like to quickly recap significant progress which has been made on the macroeconomic front over the last 12 to 14 months. Twin deficits, which have been the bane of our country for the longest time, have turned corners. Fiscal and current account surpluses have been recorded last year and in the first 5 months of this fiscal year. In fact, ये जो fiscal surplus है, ये 24 साल के बाद ये fiscal surplus we have gotten to that stage. FX reserves are at over 2 months of import cover on the back of 35% increase in remittances and strong export performance, especially in the IT sector. Headline inflation has dropped from peak of 38% down to 4%. As a result, State Bank of Pakistan has cut policy rate by 900 basis points to 13% in December 2024. Both on the foreign exchange side and on the policy rate side, Governor State Bank जहाँ मौजूद हैं, I want to extend my compliments and the government's compliments in managing the monetary and the foreign exchange policy in a very effective manner, which is helping the country in a huge way.